This video was shot before the lockdown. Hi everyone, my name is Roma Bharne and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I've come to Blue Apple Restaurant and Bar, which is at Kalangut, Goa, and I've never really visited this place before. So let's find out how it is. So let's go. This restaurant is located at Orchard Villas, Porba Vado, Kalangut, Goa. This is the fresh fish available for the day. That's the bar. So this is the ground floor. I prefer to sit on the top floor. As you can see, it's quite windy with a lot of windows and the view is also great. Let's check the menu card. So guys, I've just placed my order and I'm waiting for it currently. Firstly, I'm waiting for the mocktails that I've ordered. I've ordered a strawberry colada and a Shirley Temple. So let's see how it looks and tastes. And here comes my mocktails. So guys, this is the Shirley Temple. It's a mocktail. Let's try it. So this is basically Sprite with strawberry syrup at the bottom, and it's quite nice. The bubbliness from the Sprite and the sweet tangy flavor from the strawberry syrup. And it also has a cherry over here and a cute pink umbrella. Refreshing. Next up with me I have the strawberry colada, and it has got some nice fruits, an orange slice and a pineapple slice. It's basically pina colada but with a touch of strawberry. Yummy. And it has also got strawberry syrup at the bottom. I just have to mix it up so that I get a flavor of that as well. Okay. You know, it tastes like normal pina colada infused with strawberry pieces. How great is that? Yes. Creamy and delicious. The first appetizer is here, squids masala fry. The squids are tossed in red reciado masala and are very fresh. Taste-wise, the squids are soft, the masala is tangy and spicy, and the salad adds as a great palate cleanser. The next appetizer is the crispy veg. This dish, like its name, is crispy. The veggies are crispy fried and then tossed in a sweet and spicy sauce. There is carrot, cauliflower, French beans and potatoes in the mixture. I loved the taste. A great dish to order with your drinks. Next up is the chef's special drunken chicken. Which has dark rum in it. It's topped with fried basil leaves which adds to the flavor. The chicken is fried and then tossed in their sauce. It also has a lot of garlic which tastes amazing. Now let's dive into the fish thali. So guys, I ordered this fish thali for my sister as she loves fish. This fish thali has steamed rice, sonak curry, mackerel bangrulio amotik, tisrio, kismur, cabbage bhaji, salad, sol kadhi and gulab jamun along with roti and rava fried kingfish along with some papad. Let's start by trying the fish curry and the rice. Delicious. They have served a boneless piece of sonak in the curry. The bangrulio amotik, which was tangy and spicy. I'm not a big fan of fish, but I love the red masala. The preparation of the tisrio is slightly different than what we usually have. It has no masala, but it had a lot of green chilies and coconut. The kismur is really nice. And finally, the rava fried kingfish. It is very well marinated with the masala and is super fresh. And guys, for myself, I ordered my ultimate favorite combo, chicken fried rice with butter chicken, and I also asked them to give me a plain paratha. And also guys, please note that I asked them to serve me half portions of the rice and butter chicken, but I've mentioned the rates of the full portions. The butter chicken is rich in flavors, the chicken is delectable and it's soft and awesome. Just look at that guys, too good. So guys, I really love my butter chicken mixed with the fried rice. It just tastes perfect. I'm trying the gulab jamun from the fish thali and it's sweet, soft and delicious. And finally, the blueberry cheesecake. The center of the cheesecake is Italian mascarpone cheese, which is creamy. It's topped with blueberry sauce and the base is made of buttery biscuit crumbs. Love it. One bite of it is just not enough. You just want to keep going for more. It is mouth-watering and heavenly. I highly recommend you guys to try it out. So guys, I just came out of the restaurant. I'm full, I'm stuffed actually. To tell you the best dishes over here, they were the squid's masala fry, amazing. The fish thali, a must try. And their cheesecake, oh my god, it was heavenly, delicious, creamy. I have no words for that cake. It was so good. And yes, all the other starters that I tried were delicious and a must try as well. And yes, you guys should definitely visit Blue Apple. They have a good parking space and they have a good sitting arrangement on top as well as down, and it has got a very nice view also. So thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you to Tanvi, my editor, for filming this video, editing this video, and of course coming with me here, shooting it and all of that. And a big thank you to Blue Apple for hosting me. It was a great meal and I wish to visit this place soon. So bye.